Beanie Bombini! Let's draw a brown bear. First, draw the bear's big round head. Fantastic! Now draw its cute little face. And a mouth so the bear can smile. Super! Draw an oval nose now. Yellow. And now add ears. Brown. Great! Draw the bear's body and tummy. A big and small oval. Now draw its clawed paw. And another paw on the other side. Good job! And now it is time to draw the rear paw. Good! And another one. What an adorable bear you have made! More! Let's draw a cute bug. First, draw the bug's head. Black. Then add antennae, 2 curly lines. Excellent! Now draw its body. Wonderful! Then draw 3 legs. And 3 more legs on the other side, so your bug can walk. Nice work! Look how cute your bug is!